Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has obviously recently reacted to the orange support region. It's defined between 50,667 and 61,755. This is the support region we've been talking about for the last couple of months, and from a perspective of the daily time frame, everything is currently going as per the plan, the roadmap. Even another dip into the support region would definitely be covered by this scenario. It is, for example, possible that the wave 4 already bottomed. I have that potential on our smaller time frame chart highlighted in yellow, whereas it's possible that the wave 4 is still unfolding. In this case, it would sit here, and we're dealing with a larger A, B, C structure. And in this case, even the B wave could overshoot. It would not be unusual. We would then be dealing with a flat correction in wave B. The movement to the upside for me is not clearly impulsive, but I can see a potential B wave rally or possibly a diagonal pattern in which 5 waves up could form that should eventually get to the 85 to 90K area or higher. Next milestone target is at 76.5K. I've got that on the smaller time frame chart, but a diagonal pattern could be a more direct pathway to the upside, and I continue to focus on higher, which so far has been the right decision, as long as support levels are holding. So the market is currently respecting well the levels provided, and I remain overall bullish on the Bitcoin chart, especially as long as the $50,667 level is holding. So again, we could dip into the area again, but price action already looks quite constructive, especially today, a more friendly day. Here on the daily chart, we have a breakout point to the upside, which is here at 71,850. This is a level that is basically characterized by all these previous swing highs, and the level needs to be broken in order to maintain an overall bullish upside momentum more directly, yeah? But it's also the ideal spot to get rejected and to start that move down into the support region. But exactly because of that, I'm observing the smaller time frames as well, the smaller time frame charts and support levels, in order to be able to warn you, as soon as something breaks. So this is all going according to plan eventually in this bullish market. I'd like to see one more high, another higher low, another higher high, and then we'll see where that takes us. My overall target for the bull market is still sort of around 125 to 140, maybe 150K. We can calculate that more precisely as we get closer, but it is also possible that there will be another 4-5 pattern. It really depends on where this fifth wave here takes us, yeah? So if this only gets to 115K, then yeah, we might see another 4-5. If it takes us already to my target, then I'm going to be extremely cautious. But I won't be bearish until support levels break. So that's the daily chart. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame wave count. And here you can see the range again. Okay, so the potential of this wave 4 that could still unfold as discussed in recent weeks. Here, however, to confirm that, I need to see a break of micro support at the very least. And that level is at $64,370. Now, we're not even close. Actually, today the price is pulling away from support, or it's trying to at least. So let's zoom in and take a look at the yellow wave count. What's the yellow wave count? Well, it is the wave count in which the support areas should be respected. Here, the upper support area. And it is the wave count in which this wave 4 already bottomed on the 1st of May. And I'm basically watching for higher prices based on this. I've got a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside. This could be a wave 4, maybe a triangle, and then a wave 5 to the upside could follow from there. Let's take a look at the micro count. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. So, and this is exactly the wave count I spoke about on X yesterday. Again, if you don't follow me on X, make sure you do that. You'll find the link in the description. Just make sure you choose the account with the right check or with the blue check mark and follow the link. Here are all sorts of additional updates. Yesterday I published a Coty video and other updates as well. And here this is the structure I talked about yesterday here in a post, and explained that as per the purpose scenario, a larger D wave that stretches to $69,272 would be ideal. And this is the 61.8 extension and a much more common target for a D wave in a triangle. Well, overnight, exactly that basically happened. So let's go to the chart, the live chart. As you can see here, we've now reached that next milestone. This is for our purple scenario. Yeah, the ideal target actually for wave D. Now, I'm not going to say this has to be the price has to stop here or anything or get rejected. But first of all, there's this trend line which also offers resistance in that range. Just connecting here the third wave top and the B wave top. We have a 3-wave rally, a more extended 3-wave rally. This looks much more like a healthy D wave. And if the price now forms a higher low, next stays above the C wave low, this is now the key level that absolutely needs to hold. Because if not, then the triangle will be invalidated. And that level is at 66,640. So as long as we stay above that level, the idea of an Elliott Wave triangle remains valid. I'm very happy with how it is developing. If we now see a higher low, then we have to be watching for possible breakout signals. Yeah. A breakout signal would then be a break above the D wave high, but we don't have a top yet, and a break above the B wave high at 70,640. Yeah. So ideal pathway for the triangle would be this, and the wave 4 would then unfold as triangle, basically like that. And then we would get a breakout. That's what I would like to see in the triangle scenario. I'm very skeptical generally about triangles. I mentioned that. However, it's been, moving nicely in line with the forecast so far. If we break down from here and move lower into the support area, then the triangle will be invalidated. However, it wouldn't change the idea of a possibly still unfolding wave 4. The reason is, in the yellow count, I've got a WXY pattern. And it's actually quite good that we saw this rally, because this could be A, B, C in wave Y. Now at least we have a healthy B wave. So that would be the yellow count. Both scenarios allow further upside as long as we're holding 64,370, which means all eyes need to be on the red line, and below that level I've got 2 more levels in this micro support area left that need to hold, 65,755 and 64,374. Yeah, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.